Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. And I received a Klever Beauty Box in the mail. And my dear friend Janet, who lives in Hawaii, sent these boxes to me. She sent me 3 boxes. So I got one in July and I got one in August, and now I'm getting one in September. And I just was assuming that this would be the September box and the last was the August box. And I think that's even how I titled the videos in the past. But Janet was telling me that you can look at their website and see, when you see the contents of this box, to see exactly what this box, what month it's from. So what they do is they try not to duplicate what they send you. So let's see what's in here. I'm excited about it. Janet is a subscriber that she's just a dear, dear lady. She lives all the way in Hawaii, and she just we've hit it off. She likes my channel, and we like each other very much. And she tells me about her beautiful Hawaii, and she sent me these as a gift. So I'm very, very grateful. What Klever Beauty Box is, let me show you the, that's their logo. Here, it's clever.beauty.box, right? Yeah, oh, that's the @ sign, okay. So they're on Instagram, and then that's the hashtag. And they have a website. I'll have all that below because it is, I want to say, what is it, $28 a month? And you are promised 8 beauty items. It's always beauty, always makeup type items. There might be a tool or something in there. And let's see what's in there. It's indie products, and usually it's Asian indie products. So let's see what's in there. I think it was the last box I got, I think there was an Egyptian item in there, which was really cool. This is what it looks like when you open it. It's wrapped up nice and pretty. And okay, Camille, sit down so we can see. It's wrapped up in this nice tissue, and it says, "Are you ready?" Yes, I'm ready. Let's open. Let's see what's in there. Camille likes this tissue. I have to make sure she doesn't chew on it. Oh yeah, let me give you a quick peek. So there's a lot of fun stuff in there. Let's see. The first thing I'm seeing right off the bat, let's look. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that adorable thing. This is a makeup sponge. It says made of soft sponge, quite comfortable and cozy for your daily use. It's got a little holder to it, and it looks like silicone. Let's see. Okay. Oops. There's a little face on it. There's a little, whoops, a little face, but the face is on the packaging, not on the actual holder. But the holder sort of reminds me of Humpty Dumpty. It's got feet. So you're going to put your makeup sponge in there, and that's going to keep it off your countertop. And I won't be able to do that. I have a cabinet in my bathroom with my makeup. I'll put it in there because people like Camille will be gone with this. So that's adorable. That's adorable. Isn't that cute, Camille? Yeah. Let's see what else we got. Now, I do remember a lot of these products are shrink wrapped, so I'm probably going to have to open things up. Let me do that. I'll be right back. I have everything unwrapped. I'm just going to grab things. This is I'm Magic Professional Cosmetics. We've had that brand before. And this is a gel eyeliner that is waterproof. How do you open it? What I like about this, all these products have a really an expiration date that's far out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So this, oh, I was going to say, it's nice when you get a brush with this kind of thing. But look at this thing. This is a brush. So it snaps all the way open. So there's your liner, and there's a real tight brush. And this is going to be this type of thing where it's in a pot. So it's a nice black, if you can see. And usually what you have to do is you use a little water. And then this, you know, I have used, when I'm old, so they used to have cake eyeliners back in the day. I don't see them as much anymore because there's so many that are maybe a little easier, but people that are really into makeup and want to make really beautiful wings and all, this kind of thing can be very handy to have. So I love that it comes with this little cool little brush here. So that's adorable. And next we have Mini Star Glow Bloom Liquid Highlighter. Let's see what that looks like. That's a pretty package. Oh, how pretty. It has a highlight color to it on the plastic. And look how pretty that is. And then it is Mini Star. And let's see how, it's probably, I'm thinking a doe foot. Yeah, it's a big giant doe foot. There's a lot that's on there. Let me see if I can get some of it off of there. It's a really pretty highlighter, really pretty. I'm a little scratched up from Miss Camille. She's been in a bad biting phase. Okay, so that's beautiful. Can you see that nice gold shimmer? That's very pretty. Very pretty, and I love the packaging. Tighten it up and line it up. Very pretty packaging. Highlighter, and then we have this LaShava maybe, Rose Essence Blush. It says it's a long-wearing blush. Long-wearing blush is in number 2. So let's see what number 2 looks like. Long-wearing blush. Oh, another pretty package. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Can you see that gold on the top? That looks like a lippy. I wonder, you know, you have to be careful if you could, some things you can put on your lips and some things you can't. You've got to see if it says, it does say that it's a blush. Well, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Again, it's a big doe foot, and then put a little bit on and see. You know, it's the kind of thing you want to put on and then you know, blend in. I put way too much on. All right, so we know this is very, very strong. So you start out, lesser is better, and then you can add. But you see how pretty it does blend in here. I just put way too much on. I didn't mean to. But you know, you got to try it. You got to try it first to see how it's going to work. It's really pretty packaging, y'all. LaShava. And then we have this Derol brand brow wax pencil. It says reshape the boundary. Let's see what that looks like. Does it have a color number or anything? It has the expiration. Let's see. I've got the blush on me now, so I'm trying to be careful. Okay. Brow wax pencil. So this is, oh, it's a nice, I like this. For me, I don't put color in my brows. So this is a clear wax. I do use that kind of thing. Not every day necessarily, but sometimes I just have wild, you know, like I woke up and I'm this old man kind of eyebrows. So this kind of thing I'll put on, and then I will brush. I'll get my little brush and brush it down, and it'll stay. You know, so if I have to, you know, look nice for somewhere. So that's very nice to have. I like that. And then we have this. Let me show it to you, and then I'll read it. It says Lengthening XP TTEE. It's I have no idea how to say it. WelighL, WELIGHL, lasting eyelash to cream. It says strong black abundant long roll mascara gives lashes a lustrous shine. Oh, here's the brand QIC down here. It says there's a lot going on, and a lot of times the languages don't quite, you know, roll over just right. So, but we know it's mascara, so we know how that works. And another pretty component, and it's waterproof. Let's see what the wand looks like. It has a nice, I like when you take it out and it's a nice tight, you know, so it's going to take off some. I like that. That's just a nice plain wand. I like a nice plain wand. You can do a lot with it. So I'll be putting that right in my arsenal, and we'll check it out, and I'll let you know something about it soon. And there's something else here. There's 2 other things. Now, I'll have to go over and see how many things I have. There's a lot in here. This is Poudre. That's what I have on my lips right now. This is a matte lasting. It'll be a lipstick, I'm sure. So let's see. Pretty package. You see the little hearts and stars on there. Very pretty. Or moon and stars. And oh, that's really pretty. That's a good neutral, a good, you know, mauve. Mauve to me is very neutral for a lot of people. A lot of people can, I think everyone can wear mauve. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. And it is pretty. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I like that color a lot. So that is very, very pretty right there. So That's a great going into fall color. Actually, see, I like mauves. I wear mauves all year, so I like that very much. And then the last thing is a palette. And I'll tell you all the boxes that I've gotten now. So this is my 5th box, and there's always a palette in the box. I don't know if they promise that, but that's what I have received. I've had a face palette, you know, with the highlighter and blush, and I've had a face palette that was all different shades where you can contour and such like that. And then I've had an eyeshadow, and this is an eyeshadow. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. It is called Dream Meteor Break Visual Boundary. Let's open that up and see what that looks like. It's by JoJo. Silky texture, easy blending, lasting effect. JoJo. J-O-J-O. Let's get it open. See if we can get it open anyway. I just am so challenged with boxes. Let's see. It doesn't really matter if I rip it because I'm going to swatch it so y'all can see it. So it's a nice plastic container, and it says 01, and these are really pretty. See, there's the front of it, and then let me get it open. It opens this way. Okay, see that there's a seam over here, so it opens this way. So that's different. Aren't they pretty? Beautiful fall colors. Very pretty. Let's swatch. There are no names on the back of it. It does say silky texture, easy blending, lasting effect, new Tutti Frutti eyeshadow palettes. So Tutti Frutti, they're calling that. And I'm looking to see, yeah, there's no individual names for the colors. So there's 3, 6, there's 7 colors. 1. Now remember, I have that lippy on, or that blush on my middle finger, so I won't use that. So there's the 1st and the 2nd and the 3rd. Oops. Make sure this is the finger that I shouldn't use, okay? So that does well. I was not expecting to swatch, y'all. I don't know why, because I've been getting palettes in here. So my hands, all right, these are pretty. I'll do the shimmers next. So these are the shimmers. See, nice fall shimmers. Let's see if that one's very light. And then the green one and the yellow one. Whoops, I don't think they're very, very light. All right, there we go. And then let's get some more of that green. Oh yeah, there we go. Those are very pretty. And then there's one left, and it's a matte. It's like a dark chocolate matte. Put that up here, all here. There we go. So a nice fall palette. You can see there's, you know, these lighter ones don't show up very well on my skin. They're about there, you know. So, but that's very pretty. So thank you so much, Janet. This was such a nice gift to send me. Janet is just a sweetheart. Y'all are so good to me, and nobody has to send me anything. I do want to make that clear. I'm very, very happy to get friend mail. It's very nice. It's fun. But y'all don't have to do that. I enjoy that you're here with me. I don't need a thing, and I love you all very much. And thank you, Janet, so much for thinking of me. This was a lot of fun because I've been seeing this box, you know, before Janet sent it to me. I was seeing it on Instagram. They were advertising it a lot. And then the Klever Beauty people asked me if I wanted to get a couple of boxes. And they sent it right at the same time that Janet was sending it. So we've seen 5 boxes. If I will try to put those videos below if you want to see more and you haven't seen them, where you can, because each box, let me see, 2 of the boxes are the same. I got them at the same time. I think it was last month's box. I got the one from Klever Beauty and the one from Janet's. But other than that, so I've got 4 different boxes, and fun stuff and some different things. You know, like, look how cute this is. You know, just gonna sit there and hold your sponge. So just cute stuff. So we've got the sponge and the holder. We've got the eyebrow wax. We have, this was the blush that reminds me a lot of a lippy too. Like I said, I'd have to research it because you shouldn't put things on your lip unless you know that it's okay. Do you know what I mean? But that's here. I put way too much on. There is the black eyeliner with the cute little brush and this very pretty highlighter. I love that packaging. That's there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. The 6th thing is this beautiful mauve lippy. And I'm thinking, wait a second, I'm missing something because I know that we have that highlight. Oh, the mascara. Here it is. Here it is. It's got all the boxes open. We've got the mascara. That's number 7. And then we've got the beautiful palette. That's number 8. So thank you so much, Janet. This has just been a lot of fun. And I will tag Klever Beauty Box below. I'll put their website down below so you can, if you're interested, you can go check them out, okay? And that is it, y'all. Thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Good to see y'all. Bye-bye.